Good morning, boss.
Good morning talaga. Bakit pag ikaw yung may suot ng shirt ko, sobrang sexy?
Kalma, ako lang to. Good morning.
I can't wait to wake up beside you every day.
Alam mo, the feeling is mutual. Pangarap ko din kaya to.
Ang alin?
Pag nag-asawa na ako, gusto ko mukha niya yung